Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 10th episode of Economics Prelims Basics. So, today we will be discussing about the topic GST. Now, GST, what is the first thing you have to understand is it is a destination based tax. The purpose of bringing it is to bring in a single domestic tax, and it was brought in through the 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. Under value added tax, you basically had a problem of cascading effect of tax on tax. Effect of tax on tax. So GST basically removes that problem there. Clear. Now, what are the exceptions? What and all do not come under GST? Alcohol, property tax and stamp duty, petroleum, crude, diesel, petrol, aviation turbine fuel, natural gas, electricity duty, and basic customs duty do not come under GST. Clear, people? Now, few articles let us see. Article 246A, Clause 1. Parliament as well as state legislatures have the power to make laws with regard to GST. The center and the state does have the power to reject the recommendations of the GST Council. What is GST Council? More about it we will come across now. Article 246A, Clause 2 tells that Parliament has exclusive power when it comes to interstate trade to frame and regulate the laws. Article 279A talks about the setting up of a GST Council, which is a constitutional body. Very important. Decision making is usually done mutually between the center and the states. It is not that center has an upper hand or something. Quorum, half of the total members should be present in the GST Council for the meeting to take place. Decision is usually taken through majority. That is, majority should not be less than 3/4 of them present and voting. That is majority basis of voting. All right. So majority basis it is, and it should be at least more than what? 3/4 of present and voting. Clear, people? Then the composition of the GST Council is chairperson, who is the Union Finance Minister, the Union Minister of State, either from Revenue or Finance, the Minister in charge of Finance plus Taxation, or any other member nominated by the state. Vice chairperson will be selected amongst the members. Ex officio secretary will be the Revenue Secretary. The Supreme Court observation was that the recommendations made by the GST Council are not binding. Clear? It is a Supreme Court ruling, not set up as per the constitutional amendment. Clear? Then, e-way bill again comes under, it's again a part of GST only, comes under the Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs. Any consignment which is more than 50,000 rupees, when it has to be transported, you need to carry what? An e-way bill. Okay? Digital signatures are issued. All right. And this makes it easier for what? Faceless assessment of taxation and seamless flow of the goods from state A to state B. Now, who can get an e-way bill? GST registered person or the transporter who is transporting it. Again, the transporter also has to be what? Registered transporter. They will, what is it? Apply for it and they can get it done. Then it is developed by the Public Finance Management System. These are the important information with regard to GST. Hope you understood it. Any questions that you have, please put it up in the comment section. Happy studying. Take care.